In the last lecture, you learned how to analyze your landing pages report, and especially using this toggle tool and the bounce rate as a metric to really identify those great performing landing pages and to identify those landing pages that you should be really working on. Now, in this lecture, what we're really focusing on is how to analyze your all pages report. The all pages report will really help you identify which of the content that you've made on your site is really resonating with your audience the most. The key takeaway there is make more of that that's really resonating with people, make less of the stuff that's not so resonating with people. So the questions to really ask yourself here are, which pages have a higher average time on page compared to the site average? This is the popular content, make more of it. To find this, it's very simple. We're still in behavior. And what you want to do is just move 2 reports up and come to the all pages report. And what you'll see is, for me now, quite a new site, the list almost looks very similar, but we're going to look at this from a different perspective. We'll come over to the toggle tool once again, but this time instead of looking at bounce rate, we're going to look at average time on the page. If people are spending more time on your page, that means they liked your content, they're reading your content, so that is a good positive sign. What I can see here is that the average time that somebody spends on my site is 2 minutes and 43 seconds, and we can see here the green bars. These are pages that people are spending more than the site average. So I can see for SEO checklist that people are spending 15% more time on this page than they are on the other pages of the website. So the green ones are the good ones. These are your good performing pages. This is where people is spending a lot of time on your site. And the red ones here are the pages where people don't spend as much time. Now, some of these have easy explanations, like say my thank you download page. People are not going to spend time on that page because they want to click through and get the PDF or the bonus or whatever they had. Also the home page, I'm not too worried that that has less time on it because I've only real one action for them, and that's to click through to the lecture number 1. Now the thank you page here, easy explanation for me why that is the biggest the page is because there's a video on that and people really stick around. So you'll know yourself, some of these pages there will be an explanation like the ones that I've showed you there. But what you really want to do is identify which content is resonating with people. Obviously, SEO checklist, Facebook marketing, WordPress for beginners. People spend a lot of time on these pages. Quora marketing, the marketing tools, the marketing plan template, maybe not as popular just yet. So how can I improve that content to really make it more appealing and to get people to stick on the page longer? So that is the all pages report. You really want to come in here and look at the toggle tool and look and compare these pages based on average time on page. The pages that are in green here, they're the good performing pages. That's what people like. So make more of this content. How can I share more information about the SEO checklist? Showing people who have implemented it, maybe success stories. Maybe I could do a question and answer on this. Same with Facebook marketing. And that's really where I would focus my attention, because I can see straight away that people have maybe more interest in this than some of the other topics that I've covered as well. Although I do think these are really important as well. But you've got to respond to your audience to see what they like and really make more of the content that they're really engaging with. Because I think you can pick up a lot of information from email, comments, like say, comments on the post, Twitter or likes on Facebook, but this really shows you where people are spending your time, and so you can really get a clear view of it here. So what you want to do is come back in here, which landing pages have higher, or here we go, which pages have a higher average time on site compared to the others. So I'm just going to say SEO checklist and Facebook marketing. Clearly people are enjoying that content, so I'm going to be making more of that or doing Q&As around it, whatever. All right, so that is the all pages report. I'm going to put an X next to that one. I've added in my insights, and in the next lecture we're going to finish the last report to look at the exit pages report. So I'll see you there, because we've looked at how people come into your site, where they spend time on your site. And now we want to look at where they exit your site. This is the last stage in the process, and it's a really important report to understand as well. So I'll see you there.